Hello everyone and hello fellow IMG members. For today, we will be talking about how to renew our IMG accreditation for this 2021. So this is Coach Connie Osorio. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's begin. This is very easy. Just log into our IMG portal. That's www.img-corp.net. Okay? Tapos doon tayo magla-login using our user ID and password. However, kung kayo po ay mga inactive members na hindi maka-login sa portal, you just need to go to our kiosk 2. And this link will also be included in the description box ng video na to. Saan tayo pupunta sa kiosk 2? You just go or click the accreditation renewal under IMG membership group. Okay? And then, para doon sa mga nakakapasok sa portal, again, you need your membership code or member code or agent code for your user ID. And then supply your password, then hit the login button. Okay, mapupunta tayo dito sa napakaganda nating online portal. At ang gagawin natin is to know kung kailan ba valid yung ating accreditation. Punta lang tayo dito sa part na to for your member details. Enlarge lang natin. So nakalagay dyan, accreditation is valid until this December 2020. So kailangan ma-renew ko na siya. So bakit ba talaga kailangan tayo mag-renew? So why renew? This is for the purpose of continuously enjoying our preferred IMG membership perks and benefits. Napakadami nun. Ano po? Meron tayong 48 benefits. Meron din tayong video dito sa channel natin na nag-e-explain kung ano-ano yung mga benefits natin, updated benefits ng IMG. Kasama dyan yung free personal accident insurance and the 50,000 Fidelity life insurance. Of course, we need to renew also to continuously access our powerful online portal and to continuously receive commission while doing the IMG business or our mission. So let's start. Okay, balik tayo dun sa portal. Saan natin makikita? Although meron tayong direct sa kiosk 2, meron ding nakalagay sa ating portal just below this banner. Nandun yung avail the 2021 IMG accreditation. All you need to do is to click the avail it now button. And then mapupunta tayo sa kiosk 2. The first thing to do is to click the 2021 coverage and then input or supply your agent code, which is your member code. That is, in my case, 119411PH. So lalabas dapat yung details nyo. Then click nyo siya. In my case, lagi ko rin pong kiniklik yung search button para mapunta dun sa taas yung aking information. And that's the moment makakita kayo ng appropriate amount to be paid for the 2021 coverage. Pero kung kayo po ay mga old members or yung mga bagong members until this September 2020, 1.5 po ang babayaran. Automatic lalabas yan. Or if you're a new member, just this October, 500 pesos, prorated po yan. Napakamura. November, nag-join ka, 300. And kung ngayong December ka nag-join, that's 200 pesos only for the 2021 accreditation. Okay, napakamura. Then next is to click the next button. Ayan, mapupunta tayo sa page na to. Next is to supply your email. Of course, kailangan po meron tayong ma-receive na na-upload na yung ating payment or na-approve na yung payment natin. That's why we need to supply our email address, our active email address. And then, in this illustration, gagamit tayo ng remittance, bank deposit, or bank transfer. So, yung mga online banking or bank transfer natin, dyan po yung kailangan yung i-click. Okay? Next, mapupunta tayo sa page na to, makikita natin yung babayaran nating total. That's 1,500. Although meron ng email and other information, you need to fill out the necessary information for this portion. And then don't forget to tick this button about deposit and remittance. After that, pag okay na tayo at correct na lahat ng information, complete na, the next is to click the next step button. And then we will be forwarded to this page, choosing our desired bank. Kailangan lang natin i-click yung drop-down button at makikita natin dito yung mga Philippine banks or local banks. Ito po. Ayan. Ito po yung mga bank accounts ni IMG under BDO, BPI, Metrobank, Union Bank, Land Bank, RCBC, and PNB. For this example, we will be using the Union Bank. Okay? So, pag na-click na natin yung desired bank natin, we will be given this payment instructions. So, para sa mga nag-online banking, if you need the reference number of this transaction, dyan po makikita yan. And, kailangan lang po, we need to make sure that our proof of payment, screenshot ng online transfer, or any other proof of payment for this example, kailangan nakasave po yan. So, if okay na tayo at meron na tayong file for that, you need to click this hyperlink saying click here to send us the proof of payment for verification. Pag kinlik nyo yan, ayan, mapupunta tayo sa ePay page. Makikita natin yung reference number, yung total amount, and other information. All you need to do is to supply the missing information. Ayan, unang-una nating i-click yung button for the date, yung calendar button na yan. Anong ilalagay natin dyan? Kailangan po naka-refer tayo doon sa ating proof of payment. Kung ano yung exactly nakalagay doon, yun po yung ating kailangang i-select or i-supply. So since December 18 nakalagay dyan, click lang natin or select lang natin yung December 18. And then para sa time, kailangan po i-input natin dyan. But you have to remember that is in 24-hour format. Since 10:05 PM po siya ginawa yung transaction, plus 12 hours, kailangan ilagay natin 22:05. So alam naman po natin yan kapag 24-hour format. And then after that, kailangan po mag-select file button tayo para malocate natin kung nasaan yung na-save natin na proof of payment. Ayan, kita natin sa baba. Kapag na-select natin yon, ayan, mag-a-upload siya. Okay, makikita natin yung preview ng image. At sabi dito sa ilalim mismo ng submit button, please make sure that all info is correct to prevent delays. Ayan, double check po natin kung okay na yung mga information at tama, sakto sa proof of payment. Kung okay na, that's the moment you can hit this submit button. After submitting it, ayan, makakakita tayo ng notification saying doon sa page na yon, your payment is under verification. It will take a few banking days to confirm your payment. We will email you once the verification is done. And once nakakita ka na ng ganitong page, makakakita ka na rin sa iyong email that they have received your upload with all the information that you have inputted. And the next thing to do is to wait for an email that your payment has been approved. And yun, kung okay na siya, you may check your portal or you may log back in kung kayo po yung mga naging inactive members. So that's the moment na pwede na nating gawin ang IMG business ulit continuously, pero to prevent delays, kailangan po as early as now nakakapag-renew na tayo ng accreditation. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. This is Connie Osorio and thank you very much for being an IMG member. All you need to do now is to renew your IMG accreditation for the 2021. So don't forget to like and subscribe our video. Okay?